For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Smooth Love Potion, SLP could hit $0.022 in 2022. Smooth Love Potion's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem SLP at $0.0037 in 2022. Smooth Love Potion's past all-time high was on 13 July 2021. Where SLP was valued at 39 cents. Smooth Love Potion's cost simultaneously last week was $0.0043. It has moved by 4,976% in the previous week and is as of now at $0.0046. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, SLP has unloaded by 6,184%. There is a slight negative opinion in the crypto market. The drawn-out opinion, nonetheless, stays bullish, and SLP could hit $0.035 in 2023. The complete flowing stock of Smooth Love Potion as of compassing this video was $39,950,978,613, and the market cap of SLP stays at $186,208,938. Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically zero useful pieces of information and inexistent verifiable information, the model naturally will show a positive cost expectation. It is basically impossible for our AI bot to interpret white paper, tokenomics and group trustworthiness. The coin's value that you are going to see underneath can fall definitely contingent upon many elements, so if it's not too much trouble, contribute shrewdly in the wake of actually looking at the group and undertaking's white paper. This ongoing value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should rigorously not be taken as a speculation exhortation. Albeit the best designers are as of now tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has checked the cost anticipated beneath, so kindly utilize your carefulness and go with a choice shrewdly. Our Smooth Love Potion cost expectation model considers a ton of data of interest and factors to give the rough worth of SLP before long to come. No calculation, in any case, can be 100% precise, yet we endeavor to present to you the most dependable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses incorporate Smooth Love Potion's on-chain development of coins for August 2022 and past authentic information. Smooth Love Potion's all-out exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past verifiable information. Smooth Love Potion's social opinion for August 2022 and past authentic information. Smooth Love Potion's impending guide and developer movement for August 2022 and past authentic information. Smooth Love Potion's enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Smooth Love Potion's cost developments in view of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. Smooth Love Potion price prediction. Smooth Love Potion has had a significant 2021. To work on the most recent SLP cost forecast, we have split the expectation by momentary Smooth Love Potion cost forecast and long-haul Smooth Love Potion cost expectation. As of compassing this video, SLP had an exchanging volume of $38,832,828. Smooth Love Potion has increased by 15,334% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Smooth Love Potion cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of SLP at $0.017 and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $0.019. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, Smooth Love Potion cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of SLP at 3 cents, and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $0.032. Smooth Love Potion cost expectation 18 August 2022. Smooth Love Potions cost for 18 August 2022 as indicated by our examination, ought to run between 1 cent to $0.012, and the typical cost of SLP ought to be around $0.011. Smooth Love Potion cost expectation 23 August 2022. Smooth Love Potions cost for 23 August 2022 as per our investigation, ought to go between $0.012 to $0.014, and the typical cost of SLP ought to be around $0.013. Smooth Love Potion cost expectation 2 September 2022. Smooth Love Potions cost for 2 September 2022 as per our examination, ought to run between $0.014 to $0.017, and the typical cost of SLP ought to be around $0.016. Smooth Love Potion cost expectation October 2022. Smooth Love Potions cost for October 2022 as per our examination, ought to go between $0.016 to $0.019, and the typical cost of SLP ought to be around $0.017. Smooth Love Potion cost expectation November 2022. Smooth Love Potions cost for November 2022 as per our investigation, ought to run between $0.017 to $0.019, and the typical cost of SLP ought to be around $0.018. Smooth Love Potion cost expectation December 2022. Smooth Love Potions cost for December 2022 as indicated by our examination, ought to run between $0.017 to 2 cents, and the typical cost of SLP ought to be around $0.018. Smooth Love Potions long-term price prediction. Smooth Love Potions drawn-out price prediction underneath is a gander at SLP's future possibility with respect to cost. Smooth Love Potion was most recently seen at $0.0046, with a market cap of $186,208,938 and exchanging volumes of $38,832,828. SLP's value expectation is conceivable by investigating verifiable cost activity, current turns of events and social feeling from the local area. Smooth Love Potion cost expectation 2022. Smooth Love Potions cost for 2022 as indicated by our investigation, ought to go between $0.015 to $0.022, and the typical cost of SLP ought to be around $0.018. Smooth Love Potion cost expectation 2022.